Hello everyone, I'm Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2019 Freightliner M2 106 tire service truck. Has a stellar 4,500, 7,500 pound capacity knuckle boom with a wireless remote, a 12-foot flatbed with E-track on either side, a 2,000 pound powered lift gate off the rear. It's got utility compartments all the way around, tool drawer on the other side. This is a really nice truck and perfect for tire service or roadside service. The truck itself only has 52,000 original miles, a Cummins 6.7 liter, 260 horsepower turbo diesel, Allison automatic 2500 RDS transmission. The truck runs, drives, operates as it should. It's in really nice condition. We've had a few of these in the past. They've all been very nice trucks. We actually have two of them right now. So if you want not only one, but if you want two of these trucks, we have two, identically set up. But this one we've gone through, checked out all the lights, brakes, tires, mechanical check. Everything is ready to go. The knuckle boom functions as it should. The engine starts right up. Truck runs down the road as it should. It does also have hydraulic outriggers. Now, a cool thing about this truck is the engine hours are low. And the reason the engine hours are low is because it has an NPAC system. So the NPAC is actually what powers all your PTO functions, so your hydraulic knuckle boom, your outriggers, and your air compressor. So you can shut your main engine off, keep the engine hours low on this engine, and then just run your NPAC. So really nice feature, and Robert's going to start that up for us and show us how everything operates. So there is no actual truck-mounted PTO on this. It's all operated off the NPAC unit. So it's very efficient, self-contained diesel, small diesel engine. But we'll go ahead and start her up. Truck runs and drives really nice. 6.7 with 52,000 miles. It's just getting started. So I'm going to start this engine up. Then Robert's going to go to the back and start the NPAC unit up. We'll leave the engine running up front. However, you do not need to run the front engine to run the hydraulics on the rear. I just want to make sure that everyone hears the main engine and how it runs. A work truck, but it's got plenty of options in here. We'll switch off the camera. Robert's going to get set up at the rear. Cruise control, power windows, power door locks. Really nicely set up truck. 51,987 miles. Go ahead and flip through to the hours here. So, oops, I just missed it, but we'll get back around. Okay, so 3768 on our engine hours. So really low hours on this thing. We'll go back to our miles. No faults. AM, FM radio, heat, air conditioning. The interior's in really nice condition. No major damage present. Looks like the glass is in good condition. Now we do have some auxiliary switches up top just for some lights and some auxiliaries. But this is the main one. This one actually gives power to your NPAC back there. So you want to make sure, and there's even a label, turn it off when you're not using it, because if you don't forget to turn that off, it will, I believe, kill your battery. But it does have a backup camera. So, and again, you do not need to leave your main engine running to operate your knuckle boom hydraulics. You can hear the NPAC. He's got it at high idle right now. It doesn't have to be that loud. It's not overly loud, but it is set to high idle to move your hydraulics faster. Good tires all the way around. Got the outriggers out. And a wireless remote here. This is really awesome. It's a stellar remote. Very easy to operate. I really like this setup. It operates really nice. Maybe because I'm partial to the Stellars. You don't normally see a knuckle boom with that style of remote. But for me, I'm familiar with it. It's very easy in your hand and easy to operate. So he's got the knuckle boom deployed here. Now it does have one hydraulic extension. It just makes it really easy need to pick up any type of tires. I mean, this is set up as a tire truck, right? But you could do a number of things. I mean, that's a pretty hefty boom on this thing, 7,500 pound capacity. One tiny little American Eagle tool drawer, but still quite expensive, to be honest, I'm sure. So nothing wrong with the screen here. It's just the frame rate is a little different here, but nothing's going crazy like it's showing in the video. But we're set to high speed, so it's at 3,600 RPMs. It does have some compressor wheels, but no hoses are on it, so you need to add your own. Got some compartments. These are just sliding compartments that flip up. And Robert will open our compartments for us. But so you can just see they kind of open up like that and just slide into the body really nicely. But as you'd imagine, as a tire service truck would, got really nice tires on this thing. So they are Michelin's. The deep tread remaining, frame and underside's in great shape. Look at that, really, really nice frame on this thing. Looking at the flatbed, it's all aluminum, and that's what it appears, at least the floor is. Great shape. Now this thing has plenty of lights. There's interior cabinet lights throughout this entire body. There's some exterior lights as well. Now we've got our liftgate deployed here. It's a 2,000 pound capacity. That just has a toggle switch on the passenger side there. Got some strobe lights off the back. Really, really nice truck. Now I'll take a small ride on this thing. You can hear that exhaust. Like I said, it is set right now to a high idle. It's a little noisier than it would be at standard idle. This bed floor is in nice shape, as you can see, lead track on either side, so you can secure your load or your tire, whatever you're hauling. Nice big wide flatbed. Robert will take you down here. That's in really nice shape on this truck. Toggle switch is mounted here on this passenger side. It's just a simple toggle switch up and down. Too fancy there. A little bit of damage present where it looks like someone scraped into something here on this passenger side. Tried to keep this truck as original as possible on the exterior just because it was nice. And the nice black paint is going really nicely. It's a nice change of pace for us too, because every truck we get in seems like it's, as you can see in the background, it's a white color. So having a black truck is pretty unique for us, but all the ones we purchased out of this fleet have been black trucks. Down the side, you can kind of see the previous company stickers and whatnot. But it does show nice. There's no major scratches or scrapes, just what I showed you. There's some minor stuff, no major dings and dents, like things like that, or major body damage. See if we got some exterior lights on this side as well. One exterior lights from what I can see, but but you're changing a tire at nighttime, so you need to have those lights and strobes to keep you safe. So, got strobes throughout this thing. Got them in the front and the rear. Got some lights on the side. Got one even on the boom. This is a really nice looking truck. Aluminum wheels. Because it is black, it does show some imperfections, so there are some minor straight scratches, dings, dents, things like that, but overall it's a pretty nice looking truck if you ask me. Main thing on this thing is there's no major rust. Looking underneath, it's a nice clean truck. Maybe just a little bit of surface rust underneath, but overall, real nice truck. Cummins, 260 horsepower. Robert's going to flick on our air compressor here if we wanted to show you that. We'll do on the sticks here. If that does work, I think it's going to be set to high right now, but air compressor does work as it should. There it is. Just had to figure it out. So you can hear it though, there's air pressure. Built this fast too, so as you'd imagine, air is probably one of the most important things on a tire truck. It's working as it should. But that impact unit's great. It's really nice to have on any truck, but especially this one where you need air and a boom to pick up these big tires. Definitely a back saver, that Knuckleboom is. But nonetheless, great truck, very low miles, very low hours on the chassis. Certainly ready to rock and roll. Nice stellar 4,500, 7,500 pound capacity Knuckleboom. Nice 2,000 pound liftgate off the rear. This is a nice truck. Looks good, runs good, operates nicely. It's ready to rock and roll. You can check it out on our website at lewistrucks.com. That's LEWIS, trucks with an S.com. We're Lewis Motor Company located in Clarksville, Maryland, which is just outside of Baltimore, Maryland. I can ship this truck throughout the United States. Call me and I'll give you a quote on that. And like you said, if you need 2 of them, I got 2 of them. So I'll make you a nice little package deal on both of them. But great truck. Call me and we'll get her sold to you. Thank you guys.